Yo, it's your boy Stu, no blue tick, just fumes and out. Hanging with repair royalty while I'm blowing my MOSFETs out. Cracked open the Sony Q80 fun phone and kaboom on sight. And he asked when the Shoutout repairs would fix it before I blink right. JFIXX wears RussieRussRepairs laptops like it's cardio before tea. I resurrect one and it instantly files a complaint against me. PCDD repairs makes gaming rigs purr like angel kittens. Mine purr like a dying chainsaw sending handwritten obituaries and mittens. MkFix rules controllers, every button bows in respect. I touch a Joy-Con and suddenly it develops drift dialect. I'm Stuart, the chaos goblin of this premier repair elite. They get sponsorships, I get kicked outside for smoking feet. And JFIXX, PCDD, MkFix, prestige. I'm the bloke in the thumbnail with flames in 4K. RussieRussRepairs speaks motherboard, Russian pure menace. I speak, why is this on fire in every tense that exists on this planet? Charles Mott is the 3DS emperor, hinges tremble at his name. I touch a 3DS and it folds itself into origami shape. Klorslug's macros, National Geographic of lifted pads and traces. Falcon reflows GPUs like sorcery, reviving silicone cases. Isquishworms, squishes worms, it fixes consoles without fear. I squash one by accident and the whole PCB sues me clear. Massive love to the gods who make me look like a soldier with a shoe. Massive love to the gods who make me look like I solder with a shoe. Massive love to the gods who make me look like I solder with a shoe. Massive love to the gods who make me look like I solder with a shoe. I'm Stuart, the normie in the superstar repair machine. Stuart, standing proudly in my own smoke. Peace, love, as the debris burns.